What's up everybody, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this wireless charging desk mat from ABC Mat. I picked this up on Amazon. It retails for about $38. They have various lengths and sizes and colors and all kinds of stuff. As you can see here, I have my Apple Magic Keyboard and my Logitech MX Master Mouse fit on there very nicely with some additional space at the top and bottom. But then over here is the part that makes this very unique and useful. It has a wireless charging spot for your phone, and this will charge an iPhone at about 7.5 watts and a Galaxy, I believe, at about 10 watts. So it's not a like Qi 2 fast charger or anything like that, but it is a nice little point to keep your phone topped up throughout the day if you're going to be working at your desk. And it is adjustable. You can see there's a little line right here. This is just magnetic, and you can move this around. It stays in place pretty good. Or you can fold it completely flat and place your phone on there like so. I do find that if you're using thicker cases, this position is the best for it. As you can see, it starts charging right there. This position works best if you have any thicker cases on. If you stand it up, it does not tend to want to charge too well when it's stood up like this. But if you have just your phone by itself, it works just fine. You can see we do get the MagSafe charging animation, but it usually does just slow charge. And I've measured it using my Anchor charger, and it pulls about 8 to 9 watts. So I think it's charging the phone at about, like I said, 7.5. But behind the phone here, we also have a spot to put an AirPods case. So that will charge any of your AirPods that are wireless charging compatible. So your AirPods Pro 2, your AirPods 4 with the wireless charging case, anything like that. It'll probably charge your Samsung headphones as well. But overall, a very nice desk mat for the under $40 price tag. They do have some cheaper ones on Amazon as well if you want something a little bit smaller. And they also have some with like some RGB lighting if you really want to, add some lighting to your space. But really like the desk mat, and I use this wireless charger all the time, especially when I'm using my iPhone Air, because it likes to be kept on the charger and topped up throughout the day. So I'll leave a link down in the description to where you can pick one of these up if you want to take a look for yourself. And as always, I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.